Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this 1/2-inch cordless impact wrench from the manufacturer to do a review. It is 1,400 foot-pounds, so it's a very powerful impact tool. So let's open it up, look at its features, give it a try. Okay, let's open it up. Comes with a cordless impact wrench instruction manual. Okay, it does not come with a battery. However, it's designed to accommodate a DeWalt 20-volt lithium-ion battery. So we'll go ahead and slide that on. Okay, you have the trigger switch here. Okay, you have a lock button here. If it's in the middle, then the impact wrench will not activate. You press this in on the left, it will loosen nuts. Press the button in all the way on the right side, and it will tighten nuts. It is variable speed, so you can kind of control the speed based on how much you press the trigger in. Right here is your speed control button. See, it's on speed 3. That's speed 1. Speed 2. Speed 3. Speed 1 has a torque of 750 foot-pounds. Setting number 2 has 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. And 3 has 1,350 pounds of torque. Then the reverse has 1,400 pounds of torque. You can see it stops automatically, even me holding the trigger in. You have an LED work light. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay, we'll put a socket on the end and remove a couple of lug nuts. Okay, I'm gonna put it in reverse. And you can see the lug nut just came partially the way out because I had the reverse auto stop on, so the lug nut won't come off completely. Press the button in on the right hand side to tighten it up. Okay, I'll put it in reverse again. And you see it stopped before it came loose all the way. You could press it a second time and it would come off all the way. Wow, this is definitely a heavy duty impact wrench, 1,400 torque pounds. Very effective tool to use. Again, it does not come with a battery. However, it's designed to accommodate a DeWalt 20-volt lithium-ion battery. So I highly recommend this heavy duty impact wrench.